How to migrate WordPress website from one hosting to another. So this is the website that I'm migrating from one hosting to another, and as you can see from here, I have successfully migrated it. Okay, so you can find a link over here where it says visit site. When I click on it, you see that I have successfully migrated my website from the old hosting to a new hosting, and it doesn't matter the file size. So let me show you how to do the exact same thing. So from your website, simply come to the website name and then come to the dashboard. Okay, that is the website that you want to migrate to the new hosting. Okay, and from here, simply come here to where we have the plugins. Okay, just put the mouse on the plugins and come here to where we have add plugin and come and click on it. So when you click on it over here, you have the option to add plugins. Okay, and when you come here to featured, you'll see that we have search plugin right here. Okay, so from the search plugin, simply come and then search for Migrate Guru, just like this, and then hit enter. So over here, you see that you have the Migrate Guru right here. All that you have to do is simply come and then click on install now. Okay, it is going to install, and after it has finished installing, come and click on activate. And that is it. As you can see, Migrate Guru has been installed. So when you come here, you see that we have the option to come and click on yes, I've installed it. But we have to also install it on the new hosting. Okay, so just go to cPanel from the new hosting and then come here to Subtaculous app, come and click on it. Come here to where you have WordPress and come and select it. Okay, so you have to install WordPress on the new hosting. Okay, so simply come here and come and click on install. So over here, all that you have to do is simply come here to the admin account, come and set your admin user. You can select any name, and then over here, come and then set the password. Okay, just like this. So after setting the admin name and then password, all that you have to do is simply come and then click on the install button. Okay, so that you installed WordPress on the new hosting. Okay, just like this. So as you can see, we have successfully installed WordPress, and we can log in into our administrative URL by clicking on it. So when you click on it, as you can see, we are now within our WordPress for the new hosting. Okay, so you can visit your website by clicking on visit site, and we have our hello world on the new hosting. Okay, so good. After that, all that you have to do now is to simply go back to the dashboard by coming to select the dashboard. Okay, so when you come here, simply come here to the plugins again, and then come and then click on new plugin. What you are going to do is that you have to come and then search for the Migrate Guru again and install it on the new hosting. Okay, where you have your WordPress. Simply come and then click on install now. It is going to install. After it finishes installing, all that you have to do is simply come and then click on activate. So we have installed it on the old hosting and then the new hosting as well. Now on the new hosting, all that you have to do is simply come and then click on copy key, okay, from the new hosting, and you see that this is the key. All that you have to do is simply come and click on copy key. So we have copied the key from the new hosting. Now let's go back to the old hosting. Okay, so the old hosting where we have the Migrate Guru also installed, simply come here to where it says yes, I've installed it, and come and click on it. And then over here, it is going to give you the option to come and paste the key, the one that we copied from the new hosting. After pasting it, come and click on validate key. And over here, simply come and then paste in your email address or write it there. Okay, after that, come and then click on initiate migration. And that is it. Okay, so it is going to do the whole thing for you. And as you can see, it has successfully migrated it from the old hosting to the new hosting. And then we can come and click on visit site, and you'll see that our website has been migrated successfully. So this is how to actually do it. You can also log in from the new hosting platform where we install the WordPress, and when you click on the administrative URL, it will bring you right here to your dashboard, and you can come and click on visit site, and you will see that our site has successfully been migrated. So this is how to do it. Like the video, and then see you in my next video.